It's day 2 in the 12 days of cone trees. This cone is apple red, and this one's already got its bottom nicely tucked in place and perfectly fit. Let's add some buttons. You're going to want to use most of your larger buttons on the bottom of the cone and the smaller ones as you work your way towards the top. I'll be attaching these using hot glue, and for this one I'm going to just make sure I keep that bottom edge nice and straight so that the cone sits nice and flat when it's all done. So many choices. Is it just me, or does this have kind of overtones of Whoville? So it's just a matter of choosing buttons and putting them into place. Sometimes I dry fit them first and try to do a bit of a mix of colors and of sizes. Ultimately, it's a matter of pick them, glue them, and place them. These are the buttons that I used, and I picked these up at Dollarama. And because it feels a bit like making you watch paint dry, I'm going to show you the evolution of this tree through the magic of time-lapse. And now it's time to deal with all those unsightly and ever-irritating little glue strands. And I generally do this using a lint roller, since it's not really possible to put buttons around the top, and since the very top of my cone is a tiny bit bent and misshapen, I have decided to use a really pretty button on the top and use it kind of like a star on the tree. So I've glued one to the top of the tree on one side and added a different one for the other side. This way you can change your tree whenever you change your mind.